bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun!
Summer, do you mind?
Oh, come on, Cali. Don't be a Scrooge. Because it's the holidays.
It's finals.
In like 2 weeks.
2 weeks will go by so fast. I have to rewrite my notes at least 4 times.
Well, while you do that, I'm gonna decorate for the holidays and sing holiday songs. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Or you could call Nigel. Didn't y'all go to the movies or something?
Yeah, and that date was a total disaster. Worst first date ever. We should have just stayed friends. Now everything is totally awkward.
What? Summer, you didn't tell me any of this. Come on, spill.
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you. Cali, I know you know better than anyone that Nigel and I have been friends forever. All through high school, it was a will they, won't they kind of situation. Until... Nigel?
Yes?
Let's go to the movies on Saturday.
What? Like, together?
Yeah, together.
Like, the date?
Yeah. Is that a problem?
No, that is great.
Good, okay. Had me a little worried for a second there. I'll see you Saturday.
Okay, this doesn't sound bad.
Did you hear the part where I had to ask him out?
Summer, you know girls can ask out guys, right?
I know, Cali, but it still would have been nice if he did it. But I don't think he was ever going to do it.
I'm still not saying how this is a horrible situation.
Oh, there's more. I spent hours trying to pick out the perfect outfit. I wanted something that said casual, but fabulous. I did my hair, and after 2.5 hours of primping, I was ready to go. We agreed to meet at the mall at 5 o'clock, but he was late. Then there was this random rain shower. Aw, seriously? I was stuck under that awning for like 20 minutes. When the rain finally stopped, and I was about to leave, that's it, I'm leaving. He shows up.
Hello.
Wearing the same sweatsuit he wears every day to class. Do you need to go home and change?
No, I'm fine.
Okay then.
Do you need to go and fix your hair?
Why? What's wrong with my hair? I got rained on. Is it frizzing up?
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay, maybe we should just head to the theater. It's getting pretty late.
Okay, what would you like to see? There is that new movie, A Royal Wedding for the Holidays. Girls like that, no?
I'm more of a sci-fi fan. How about Battlestar Intergalactic Wars Part 2? It's in 3D, so you are face to face with an insectoid alien. Oops, sorry. Personal boundaries. I'll just see you at the theater.
Summer, wake up!
By the time we got to the theater, the movie had already started. Aw, man, we missed the previews.
Great! Perfect timing.
I like watching the previews.
Let me get this straight. You like watching 30 minutes of movies you don't care about?
Or you could say it's 30 minutes of movies you never knew about.
Excuse me? But we're gonna have to ask you two to keep it down so that others may enjoy the movie. Or we will have to ask you to leave. What others? There is nobody in here! Sir, you have been warned.
Look, let's just sit back and try to enjoy the movie. Captain, the insectoids are boarding the ship.
Fire the laser cannons!
Not the laser cannons! This is so exciting!
Good. I'm glad you are enjoying yourself. I'm just going to stretch my arm right over here.
Ow! Ow!
Oh, I'm sorry. My watch is caught in your hair.
Ow!
Ow! Just hold still.
Ow! Nigel, you are pulling my hair out! Ow!
Just hold on.
Ow!
Excuse me, but we're gonna have to ask you two to leave. This disturbance is not fair to the other patrons. What other patrons? There is nobody else here! You are pulling my hair!
Well, thanks for that movie-going experience, Nigel. I have never been kicked out of a movie theater before. Well, until now. Thanks for that.
Sommer, don't be angry. Maybe we can try this again, like tomorrow.
About that, I'll tell you what. I'll call you. Good night.
Sommer! Oh, man.
And that was our first and last date.
Wow, I can't believe you waited this long to tell me about that.
Well, it didn't turn out the way I thought it was going to. But now, I just want to focus on the holidays. No more talk about Nigel. You go back to studying, I'll get the door. Nigel. To be continued on the next Sommer in Cali.